Mic is on. Am I audible now? Yes. We started the mic. So audible now, okay. Now audible? Voice is clear? Am I audible now? Oh. Started the mic. So I hope you all enjoyed what we discussed, and those who are coming now, let's do a revision. Okay. So let's revise what we learned. Okay. So we learned that in the heart, who's the pacemaker? Who is the pacemaker? So pacemaker is SA node. Why SA? Pacemaker, maximum frequency. Okay. Who's the slowest? AV, and it caused what? AV delay given by PR interval. Okay, AV delay. Okay, then we discuss about the cardiac cycle. We have what? Systole and diastole. Okay, then how do you diagnose the coronary artery disease? For CAD, what we do? We do screening first. So what is the screening test? Stress test. So screening is by the stress test. Okay. Yes, anyone can be pacemaker. What is the criteria? Maximum frequency. Okay. Like who can be the teacher? Anyone can be the teacher. Right now I am the teacher, you are students. I am giving knowledge, you are accepting it. Okay. But in future you will become teacher, and one day you might replace me also. Hana? Clear? But please do some profit sharing. Okay. If you want to replace me, at least give me something to sustain my life. Okay. Don't put kick on my stomach. Pet pe laat mat marna. Okay. Okay. So that is the criteria we are seeing. Okay. Yes. So TMT, and what are the other investigation? That is dobutamine test. So stress test. How? Either by dobutamine or by TMT. Okay. And I think do you think now medicine is appearing easy? You are able to understand. कोई हाई फाई तो है नहीं, ये आर्टरी है, ब्लॉक हो गई तो ब्लड नहीं आ रहा, क्या बोलते हैं? कॉर्नरी आर्टरी. और द मोस्ट कॉमन कॉज atherosclerosis. Okay, what is the most common artery? LAD. Clear? Then what is the result? It causes ischemia. Ischemia cause pain. What is the pain called? Angina. Easy. And for this, what we do? We do investigation. What is the name? Stress test. What do you see in ECG? ST depression. Okay. Then what do you do? Confirmation with angiography. And after angiography, what do you do? Very easy. You do the angioplasty with stent. So balloon angioplasty with stenting. Plasty means repair. So we are repairing the angio vessel with stent. And if there is a severe problem, we do bypass, CABG. Clear? So I think medicine is easy. Okay, medicine is logical, है ना? Like 2, 4, 6, 8. I give you a number 2, 4, 6, 8. Clear? And 10. So what is the next number? X. What is the next number? So what is the next number? Okay. So next number is which one? Tell me. So what is the next number? Okay. And CAD, what is the most common presentation? Angina. Okay. So angina, screening, stress, TMT, dobutamine. If there is a ST depression, test is positive. Okay. Then do angiography for confirmation. Then you do balloon angioplasty, stenting, and they all cost 3-4 lakh rupees. And as a doctor, you can earn 1 lakh per each procedure. Okay. So there are doctors who are earning 5-10 lakh per day also. Okay. So there are doctors, okay, 5 lakh per day. Imagine 5 lakh, okay. In 1 month, they can earn more than what? Crore, okay. So that's why they can buy any car. So you must have heard about it. Very good. 12, है ना? Very good. अब कोई पूछ ले, what will come after 102? So answer would be 104. Or what will come after 1, 2, 2, 8, 4? Answer is 1, 2, 2, 8, 6. Or what will come before 86? Answer is 84. That is what logic is. logic is very simple. It's a series of two. It's a series of two. So once you know the logic, it's a series of two. You don't have to remember. You don't remember this कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ याद करना, दो है तो क्या करना है, टू ऐड टू माइनस, एंड नाउ दिस इज व्हाट द लॉजिक इज ऑल अबाउट. वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक, नो वन कैन बीट यू. एंड यू नो व्हाट द मोस्ट लॉजिकल सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज मेडिसिन, and to some extent even pediatrics, even all this. Okay, some are just mugging subject. You have to just mug up in micro. अब वो कोकई है तो है, उसमें क्या लॉजिक लगाओगे, है ना. और अगर वो क्या है, रॉड जैसा है, लंबा ऐसा, अब वो रॉड है या गोल गोल है. अब हमें पता है दो ही चीज गोल और ये होती है ना. सो गोल गोल कोकी और लंबा लंबा ये क्या नाम है इसका, बैसिलस. ओके, तो हमें पता है आइदर इट्स अ रॉड शेप बैसिलस, ओके, और एनी अदर बैक्टीरिया, और इट इज राउंड. सो कोकी और रॉड शेप, हमें पता ना यही होते दो. ओके, सो हमें याद है बॉल और डंडा, गुल्ली डंडा समथिंग. सो उसमें अब लॉजिक क्या लगाओगे यार, है ना. अब वो स्टेफाइलो है तो ऑब्वियसली स्टेफ मतलब क्या, ग्रुप, बंच, और अगर चेन में है तो स्ट्रेप्टो, ये स्ट्रेप्टो हो गया. तो इसमें लॉजिक इतना कुछ है नहीं. अब वो कौन सा इन्फेक्शन करेगा ये सब आपको याद ही करना पड़ेगा, इसमें कोई हेल्प नहीं कर सकता. सही है. तो स्टेप मतलब अंगूर का गुच्छा, हम ऐसे याद करते थे, और स्ट्रेप्टो मतलब चेन, स्ट्रेप्टो स्ट्रेट चेन, स्ट्रेप्टो स्ट्रेट चेन. इजी. चलो, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, आई थिंक ऑल आर हियर, सो विल स्टार्ट विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम. चलो, fine. Okay, so we are learning cardiac cycle now. Okay, so what is the topic now? Cardiac cycle phases. So topic is phases of cardiac cycle. Okay, so start now. So what are the important phases we see in the cardiac cycle? Okay, ओके, 7, ये 7 कहाँ से आ गया. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी सी इज सिस्टोल. ओके, वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल. नाउ रिमेंबर, एनी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कैन नॉट अकर डायरेक्टली. यू नीड टू हैव करंट then contraction. So current then contraction. Okay, so we'll start. What is the starting point? Okay, so it is 0.3 second, and what happens first? Okay, so first there is ventricular depolarization which cause the QRS in ECG. Okay, it's okay. So QRS in ECG. Okay, so it causes a QRS in the ECG. Okay, so what are we getting? We are getting the QRS in the ECG. Are you clear? So ventricular depolarization, QRS in the ECG. Are you clear? So QRS in the ECG. Okay, now comes the question. Question here that we see or we will have is, okay, is something like this. Okay, so first is when this D, it causes calcium release. It causes a calcium release. Okay, and this calcium release causes contraction of ventricles. Contraction of ventricles. Easy. So ventricles will contract. Okay, so contraction of ventricles. Okay, so what happens? The pressure will rise. So this cause increase ventricular pressure. I'll use the word VP from now on. VP. So ventricular contraction VP will increase. So what will increase? The VP will increase. Okay, now what are the changes which we will see? So make a diagram with me. Again I am showing the aorta downwards. Don't ask me why, because I prefer it this way. Okay, so this is, let's say, the ventricle, left to right, whatever. Okay, so let's say the ventricle, let's say left atria, left ventricle, this is aorta. Now pressure of aorta is 80 mmHg. Okay, so 80 mmHg. Are you clear? Fine. So start now. First is when the ventricle contract, the pressure rises, and the result is what? The ventricular pressure VP rises, and it become more than atrial pressure. So atria is what? Relaxing now, and ventricles are contracting. So now the atrial pressure is falling below. So it is rising, LVP, this is falling. So once it occur, it will push the AV valves in what direction? Upward direction. So it will push AV leaflets upward, and that will close AV valves, both mitral and tricuspid. So it will close. So it will cause a closure of AV valve. They will become flatter. So now AV valves close. Can you see this? So AV valves will close, and closure of AV valve like this produce a sound called as S1 sound. What is S1? It is the first heart sound. So what is S1? First heart sound. So what is S1? It is our first heart sound. Okay. Okay. So what causes the first heart sound? It is closure of AV valves. Okay. Once the valve is closed, the blood which is present inside this cavity cannot leak out. Why? Because there is no outlet left. Okay. AV is already closed and the semella is already closed. Now both the valves are closed. So therefore now both the valves are in a closed state. Semella also and this. So this is semella valve. It is already closed. And AV is just now closed. So both the valves are closed. So that's why volume cannot change. Okay. So what happens? We have isovolumetric contraction. So iso means same volume. Iso means same volume. Okay. So iso is nothing but same iso, and volumetric is volume. So why is the volume same? Same volume as valves are closed. As very good. So called as the isovolumetric contraction. Called as the isovolumetric contraction. Okay. Now what happens in the isovolumetric contraction? The pressure will rise. The pressure will keep rising, and as the pressure keep rising, what happens? There is very high increase in the VP. Are you clear? And this high pressure will open, it will push open the semilunar valve. So the moment it become more than aortic pressure, it will open semilunar valve, SL valves, semilunar. So this valve will now open. As this valve open, the blood which is there in the ventricles will be ejected into the aorta. Are you clear now? So this causes ejection. So now what starts? Ejection. Ejection. Okay. So what are we going to see now? The answer is we are seeing which period? Ejection. Okay. So are you clear? So it causes the ejection. Okay. Done. So I hope it's clear. So ejection is the term. Okay, ejection. Now let me revise. Both the valves are closed. When you increase the pressure, high pressure opens the seminal valve and ejection start. Okay. Now ejection has two parts. Okay. So it is two parts. One is early rapid ejection. Early rapid ejection. What happens here? Very high pressure. So what happens here? Very high ventricular pressure. Very high. Okay. So when is the in fact maximum? You can write maximum. So maximum pressure is reached in the rapid ejection period. Now what is the result? The result is first, write down LVP rise from 80 to 120 mmHg. So it will rise from which value? 80 to 120 mmHg. Are you clear? So 80 to 120. Okay, clear? Fine. So 80 was in isovolumetric period, 120 is in rapid ejection. Then RVP also rise. It rise from 10 to 25 mmHg. Are you clear? So very simple, right and left both ventricular pressure are rising. LVP rise from 80 to 120 and RVP rise from 10 to 25. Okay, so that means you hit what pressure in the systole? Answer is highest possible pressure, that is 120 in the left ventricle, 25 in the right ventricle. Now such a high pressure is going to do which change? So this pressure, so write down, so this high pressure, so this high pressure produce more than 2/3 ejection. So 2/3 ejection means what? If you had 100 ml blood, you will eject 66. Okay, almost 70% you can say. So almost 60-70% blood is ejected. Now once you eject the blood is out, so pressure will fall. So this start the second period, slow or late ejection. So what period? Slow or late ejection. I hope is clear. So what is the period now? Slow or late ejection is the name of the period. Are you clear? So slow or late ejection. Okay. Now what happens in slow or late ejection phase? So let me explain. So first is in the slow or late ejection, there is a fall in VP. There is a fall in the ventricular pressure, VP. Okay, so VP will fall. Okay, why? Due to ejection of blood, due to loss of blood in rapid ejection phase. Okay. Okay, so that's why as you lose blood in the rapid, the pressure will fall. The pressure will fall, and as the pressure fall, what is the fall? Let's say LVP fall from 120 to 80 mmHg. Okay, so it will fall from 120 to 80 mmHg. 120 is in rapid ejection and 80 is in, yes, late ejection or slow ejection. Okay, okay, and RVP will also fall from 25 to 10 mmHg. Okay, 25 to 10. Are you clear? So both ventricular pressure are falling. So let me just give an idea for you to remember. Make a small graph like this. So it was 80, 120, 80. So what happens? Here semi-lunar open and what start? Rapid ejection. So rapid ejection. Are you clear? Here it is slow ejection. So what you can remember? That in rapid ejection period, the pressure rise from 80 to 120, and then in slow the pressure will fall from the 120 to 80 in the left side. So this is which side? Left ventricle. So left ventricle. So this is what you see in the left ventricle. Okay, in the left ventricle. Are you clear? So left ventricle pressure rises from 80 to 120, then it fall back to 80 in the systole, Are you clear? Okay. Now if there is a fall in pressure, this will cause what? More or less ejection. So write down. So due to falling pressure, okay, there is also, yes, there is less ejection. Only 1/3 blood is ejected. Okay. So only 1/3 blood is ejected. Clear? So only 1/3 blood. Now as you eject this blood, there is a further fall in pressure. And now the VP will fall even below the pressure in aorta. Are you getting the question? So now there is a further fall, and now the LVP is less than aortic pressure, and RVP is less than pulmonary artery pressure. So both are now falling. Okay. So left ventricular pressure is less than aortic, and right ventricular pressure is less than pulmonary artery pressure. So let me just show this diagram. Okay. So now what happening is, just pay attention, this pressure is falling. Okay. Now let's say it fall to 79. So it is 80 cent. Now the blood will try to go up, and that's why we need to prevent the regurgitation of blood from aorta to ventricle by closing the semilunar valve. So what is the technique to prevent the regurgitation? Answer is semilunar valve closure. So what happens? Now this causes closure of semilunar valves. Okay. And this produce the second heart sound. Produce S2, that is second heart sound. So we have two sound, lub and dub. So that is why the first and second sound, the lub dub is there. This is the second heart sound. Okay, that is S2. This is a S2. Okay, second heart sound. Okay, and this second heart sound is of two types. So S2 is produced by A2 and P2 combination. A2 is aortic closure, and this is pulmonary valve close. So are you clear? So aortic valve closure and the pulmonary valve closure, these are the two main valves which are there in the second heart sound. In the which sound? Second heart sound. Are you clear? So second heart sound is there. Okay, A2 and P2, A2 and P2. Okay, now comes the question. Question is, how do you classify cardiac cycle? So let me give an idea about the cardiac cycle. Okay, so please remember a very important thing. So what is that? Okay, so right. Okay. S1, S2, S2, S1. So remember this summary: S1, S2, S2, S1. This is systole and this is diastole. So systole and diastole. Okay. So S1, S2 and S2, S1. S1, S2 is systole, S2, S1 is diastole. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the funda about this? So let me explain in a very simple manner. Okay. First is S1 to S2 is a systole and S2, S1 is diastole. Always remember this. Okay. That is why we can divide it into three parts. What three part? Early, mid, and late. Early, mid, and late. So what are the three part of the cardiac cycle? They are early, mid, and late systole, and early, mid, and late diastole. Are you clear? Okay. Now, if there is any sound, any abnormality occurring with S1, it is called as early systolic murmur. This is mid systolic and this is late. So there are three murmurs, systolic murmurs. So it could be early, mid, or late. Are you clear? And if murmur, okay, murmur from S1 to S2, it is pansystolic. Are you clear? So it is called as pan or hollow systolic, also called as hollow systolic. Okay, pan or hollow means whole. Okay, so hollow systolic means entire period. Are you clear? Clear? So I hope it's clear. So it is hollow and pan means entire. Pan means entire systole. Pan means entire systole. Like pandemic is entire world. So its pan is entire systole. Okay, whole systole or pan. Are you clear now? Okay, fine. Done. And if a murmur appear throughout the cardiac cycle, that is yes, it is occurring in systole, diastole both. This is continuous. Okay, and if murmur continues rather in diastole and systole, it is continuous murmur. Okay, it is continuous. Okay, so I'm just giving the condition name PDA. How? I'll discuss it later. So PDA murmur are continuous and pansystolic murmur are seen in VSD, MR, and TR. Remember these three conditions. So VSD, MR, TR is pansystolic murmur, and PDA and also AV fistulas, arteriovenous. How? I'll discuss it later. Just write the name. So AV fistula or any systemic or pulmonary circulation connection, or PDA, that is patent ductus, they are continuous. So let's first revise them and then we will move. Okay, so what are the categories of murmur? So I'll just give idea. Immediately after S1 is called as early systolic murmur. Between S1 and S2 it is mid systolic murmur. Okay, towards the end of the systole, that is before the S2, it is late systolic. After S2, early systolic. Okay, so that is how you differentiate. So let me just give an idea. So this is S1, S2, S3. Okay, oh sorry, S1. So let's try to revise the murmurs, then I will teach you which condition which murmur is seen. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's do the experiment. So I'll give you condition and you tell me which is the murmur. Okay, so I'll use green and different colors. Okay, so identify the murmur. This is one. Okay, 2, 3, color left. Okay, 4. So try to identify the murmur. Okay, the 1, the 2, the 3 and 4. So please tell me the name of the murmur. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. आंसर very good. So first is which one? Number 1, it is MSM, that is mid systolic murmur. Very good. What is 2? Diagnosis. 2 is early diastolic. Okay, so it is early diastolic. Okay, clear? Very good. 3, pansystolic. Very good. And 4th is, yes, continuous. Very good. Okay, so you are smart people. And do you think you will all get questions of physio medicine right? Yes, because I trust you people are learning, not just cramming, not mugging up कि कहीं लिख लिया और एग्जाम में याद कर लेना, ऐसा लॉजिक S1 S2 then early part, middle part. So logic is when you understand thing from beginning to the end. Mugging is what? PDA continuous murmur, PDA continuous, what continuous, when, what is the reason I'll explain later, but first you understood continuous means it is from, yes, entire cycle, that is from beginning to the end, S1 to S1. Okay, so it is S1 to S1. Pan is what? S1 to S2. It is mid is what? S1 S2 middle of S1 S2. It is mid of S1 S2. And early is immediately after the S2. So you know this. Okay, you're smart people. Okay, chalo. So let's start and continue once again. Okay. Okay. 4 is continuous because 4 is in systole diastole both. Okay, clear? So fourth one, it is in this entire cycle, so it is continuous. Okay, fourth, Indrajit, it is pan or continuous? It is continuous, not pan. Okay, fine. 3 is pan. Done. Okay, so let's move. Okay, now we see, yes, Are Baba, 3 is pansystolic, 4 is continuous. Don't get confused. Okay, 3 is only up to this much, na? 3, 4 is entire. Chalo, let's move. Now we see diastole. Ventricular diastole. So what is the funda about the ventricular diastole? First, it is S2 S1. Okay, and when does it start? So answer is it start with what period? The answer is start with the first relaxation. Start with what? Electrical change. So first there is ventricular repolarization. Okay, so what is the funda? It is ventricular repolarization. What is the wave? T wave in ECG. What happens in repolarization? Remember, the calcium goes back to SR, and without calcium you will not contract, you relax. So remember this logic. Calcium comes out of SR, that is sarcoplasmic reticulum, you contract. Calcium goes back, you stop contracting. So what is the mechanism of relaxation? Calcium goes back to the SR. How? By calcium magnesium ATPase pump. What is the other name? Or SERCA, SERCA. अब बोलेंगे सर ये फुल फॉर्म कैसे आई, बताता हूँ. देखो, SR is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is SR or SEER. Okay, C is for calcium, C. And A is ATPase. So this would be the name. Clear? Fine. So that is SERCA, SERCA, okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, okay, SERCA, okay, done. Let's start. Now as the ventricle relax, what happens? First question, you know that seminal valve close, then it started relaxing. So therefore what happens is you write a statement which is much better, and I'll make a diagram also. So this is the left ventricle, left atria. So let's start, okay. So first semilunar close, okay, and then ventricle relax. So are you clear? So semilunar valves will close, seminal valves will close, okay, and once the seminal valve will close, what will be the other important concepts, okay. So let's start now, okay. First is okay, when the seminal valve close, what is the sound? S2. So and then the relaxation occur. So that is why S2 sound appear before the relaxation. It is called as protodiastole, means before diastole, means before. So that means it is before the diastole, the seminal valve close, okay, and then when the relaxation occur, it is proper diastole. So it is called as diastole proper. So are you clear? So it is diastole proper in this particular case, okay. So diastole proper, clear? So is it clear now? So diastole proper, okay. Now let's start the discussion. First is, okay, both the valves are in what state? Closed state. They are in the closed state, okay. So they are in closed state, okay. So therefore blood cannot come, cannot go. So that's why it is called as what? Again, isovolumetric relaxation, okay, clear? So isovolumetric relaxation. I hope it's clear now, okay. Now comes the question, if there is relaxation, what will happen to pressure? It will fall because you are relaxing now. So it causes a decrease ventricular pressure. Why? Because you are relaxing. When you contract, pressure rise. When you relax, pressure will fall. Are you clear now? So pressure will fall. On the other hand, whatever blood is coming to the atria from the pulmonary veins, it is filling the atria. So atria is getting filled up. So atrial pressure is rising, okay. Okay, so atrial pressure is rising in this case, okay, and as the atrial pressure is rising, it becomes more than ventricular pressure. And what is the reason? Due to atrial filling. So what is the reason? It is atrial filling which is causing this particular phenomena. Are you clear? So there is a fall in the VP, and atrial pressure is rising because it is receiving blood from the pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, sorry. So now what happens is this pressure will push the AV valve downward and it causes AV valves opening. and the moment AV valve open, whatever blood accumulated in atria will fall to the ventricle and cause ventricular filling. Are you clear now? So this blood will just shift to the ventricles. Are you clear here? So it will just shift, okay? It will just shift, okay? So question is, what will happen once this blood falls, okay? It causes filling of the ventricle. And is this filling caused by contraction? No, no, no. Ventricles are not contracting, atria are not contracting, just gravity. Like if I open the cap of this bottle, the water will fall. Why? Because of gravity, it will fall down. So that is why it's a passive filling, not contraction. So it causes early, rapid, passive ventricular filling. So early, rapid, passive ventricular filling, okay? Why early? Because first time blood is coming. Why passive? No contraction. So call as what? Early, rapid, passive ventricular filling. How much? 2/3. And it produces with sound? S3 sound. So it produces a S3 sound. Are you clear? So it produces the S3 sound. I hope it's clear. Done? Okay. Now comes the question. Question is this filling sufficient? No, 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 no. Why? The answer is simple, okay? Let's take a ketchup bottle. When you open a ketchup bottle and tilt, initially ketchup come easily and it is initial easy emptying of ketchup bottle, okay? But in the end, ketchup bottle, the ketchup come or not come? Then you have to shake, abe nikal, and you put some finger to take the ketchup, है ना? Or toothpaste, okay? Initially toothpaste, you can easily take the toothpaste out, है ना? दबाया आ गया. But later on, as the toothpaste quantity decrease in the tube, it doesn't come out. And now what we need to do? We need to do contraction, squeeze. अब दबा दबा के, तो शुरू में आराम से निकल गया, अब दबा दबा के निचोड़ के squeeze and then take the stuff out. So that's why in the end, what do you do with the toothpaste? You need to squeeze, bend, press with teeth and take the paste out. Some people even open the tube and then with the open tube they can scrap the remaining paste and do the toothpaste. Great Indian people, okay? Clear? So that is the simple funda here. So what we need to do now? First we will wait. So make double line, waiting, and then what happens? Atria contracts. So atrial systole occur in the late ventricular diastole. So atrial systole in late ventricular diastole, okay? So it is occurring in late. And now what do? Okay, clear? तो क्या हो गया आपका? तो शुरू में आराम से होता है, बाद में थोड़ा फोर्स करना पड़ता है. तो शुरू में आराम पैसिवली हो गया, प्यार से पैसिव. बाद में क्या करना पड़ा? दबाना पड़ा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ा, है ना? तो पहले प्यार प्रेम से बात करो, नहीं हो तो जबरदस्ती करो. नेवर डू फोर्सफुल थिंग्स इन द बिगनिंग, ओके? सो ऑलवेज क्या है? पहले रिक्वेस्ट, है ना? देन समझ गया ना? सो दैट्स वाई क्या है? पहले प्यार से फिर जबरदस्ती, ओके? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So now what happens? Atria contract. So what atria will do? It will contract and push blood into the ventricle. So that's why now atria will cause the filling. So it is a early or late filling? Late, because occur in late part. So it causes late. And is it what? Active, passive? Active, because atria is contracting. Active. Why active? Atria is contracting. Active ventricular filling. So MCQ. So what causes the late active filling? Atrial systole. And how much it is? 1/3. 1/3. And what is the sound? S4 sound. Okay. S4 sound. Okay. Clear? S4 sound. Easy. And once the filling is over, what happens? Yes. Then ventricle goes in systole. And AV close. What sound? S1. and that is the end of diastole and start of systole. So are you clear? So it is the, yes, okay. So first we requested the authorities, okay, regarding the exam result, okay, and if they don't listen, then we will do systole with them, okay, we will do systole, okay, समझ गए ना? तो क्या करेंगे? बस समझ गए ना? So पहले मुलाकात फिर मुक्कालात, okay, पहले मुलाकात and then मुक्कालात, okay. So right now we are just meeting, requesting, sir please help us, and then we will use our bicep, tricep, समझ गए ना? Okay, चलो. So is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? So let me just revise, okay. What are the sequence in diastole? So first in diastole you will close the seminal valve, that is S2, and what we start? Isovolumetric relaxation. Then pressure fall, okay. Once pressure fall, AV open and a flood come. Which flood? The blood drops into the ventricle, called as what? Early rapid ventricular filling. It causes S3 sound, and then there is a late filling by atrial contraction, and that is S4 sound, and then ventricle contract, and this is end of what? End of diastole. End of diastole. Are you clear? Now there is a empty space I put between. So what happens between the two fillings? Right on. Between the two fillings. So between the two fillings we have a period called as diastasis. Okay. Now what is diastasis? First, dias means part of diastole. It means it's a part of diastole. Diastole, okay. And what is stasis means? Stasis means stagnation of blood. Why? Early filling is over, late not yet started. So therefore there is almost no filling and blood is stagnant in ventricle. So that is why blood is stagnant in the ventricle. That's why called as diastasis. That's why called as diastasis. Are you clear? So what is diastasis? This is what do you call as the diastasis. Okay, diastasis. Okay. So I hope it's clear. So it is your diastasis. Okay. Done. Okay. Now let's start the discussion. So what is the other important discussion and thing? So first is systole, diastole might appear tough, but they are easy. So let me first teach you systole. What is systole? S1, S2. Okay, S1, S2. So that means it start with S1 and end with S2. So let's see the systole. Systole is what? Starting with S1, that is AV closer. AV close. What is the sound? S1. That is S1. Okay. And once the AV close, what start? The answer is isovolumetric contraction. Okay. Then AV will close. Okay. Then what happens? The seminar open. And what occurs? Ejection. What occurs? Ejection. And once ejection is over, semilunar close. What is the sound? S1. So this is called as what? Systole. This is so please understand. So what are the parts? It is AV closer S1, sorry, it is S2, and then S2. And what are the two parts? Isovolumetric contraction and ejection and ejection. Okay, and ejection. Are you clear? So is it clear? Okay. Then let's see diastole. So diastole follow the same pattern. So let's see diastole. So I'll make it separate. Diastole. It is S2, S1. So diastole is S2 and S1. So what is S2 starting with? Semilunar close. What is the period? S2. And what starts now? Isovolumetric relaxation. Now pressure will fall. So AV open, and now what happens? Filling occur. Okay, so filling occur. Clear? And once filling is over, AV close. That is S1. This is diastole. So please copy this. It's very, very important. Please copy. Done? Okay. Now let's start. Now filling has two parts. What are the two parts of filling? Early filling and late filling. Are you clear? So early and late. Early and late. Okay. Same way we know that ejection has two parts. Early and late. So early late, early late. So early late, early late. Okay. What is the sound occurring in early? S3. This is S4. And what is between the two periods? Diastasis. This cover entire diastole. So what is diastole? It is semilevel close, isolement relaxation, then AV open, filling occur. First there is early filling, then there is late filling. Between the two is diastasis. Sounds semilevel close S2, early filling S3, late filling S4, AV closes S1, AV closes S1. So I hope it's clear now. So is 8 clear now? Okay. Chalo. Now let me simplify cardiac cycle for you forever and forever. So those who already know, they will realize it is so easy that even a person who sells tea and coffee knows cardiac cycle. Let me prove this hypothesis that a person selling tea coffee also know cardiac cycle. So understand, systole and diastole have two parts. So systole and diastole are having two parts. Okay, always. One is isovolumetric period where volume is same, pressure can change, and second is the volume change period. Volume change. So two part, isovolumetric and volume change. Isovolumetric, volume change. Volume change period is either ejection where volume is lost, systole, and filling where volume is gained, that is diastole. So are you clear? So these are the main two concepts you have to understand. Okay, so which are they? Isovolumetric where volume is same, and volume change period and volume change. There are two part of volume change, ejection and filling. Ejection and filling. Okay, done. So let's start the discussion. Okay, so first is what are the two part of systole? By this logic, isovolumetric contraction and ejection. So what are the two part of systole? Isovolumetric contraction and ejection. Once again, what are the two part of systole? Isovolumetric period and ejection. What are the two part of diastole? It is again isovolumetric relaxation because you're relaxing, and filling. So are you clear? So what are the two part of systole? Iso ejection, diastole, iso filling. So if I want to write, systole is iso and ejection, diastole is iso and filling. So iso ejection and iso filling. So iso ejection, iso filling are the parts. Okay, so iso ejection and iso filling are the parts. Are you getting the question? So iso ejection and iso filling. Okay, now comes the question. The question we are seeing is what happens in ejection and filling. It has two parts. What the two part? Early and late. Early is 2/3, late is 1/3. So that means ejection occur in two equal part 50. No, it occurred 2/3, 1/3. You eject 2/3 blood in first part, that is early, and 1/3 in remaining. So what are the two part of ejection? Early ejection, late ejection. 2/3, 1/3. Filling two equal part. No, 2/3, 1/3. So early filling 2/3, late filling 1/3. Okay, so that means you eject in two parts: early ejection, late ejection. 2/3, 1/3. Filling also early 2/3, late 1/3. Now here comes the question. Okay, so that means what are the part of systole? Isovolumetric contraction. Isovolumetric contraction. Then ejection. What are the two part of ejection? Early and late. What are the two part ejection? Early and late. What are the diastole? Isovolumetric relaxation and filling. What are the two part of filling? Early and late. So the two part of filling, early and late, cycle is done. So what is the simple summary that we have already discussed? So let's see. This is systole, yes or no? What is the first part? Isovolumetric contraction. What is the second part? Ejection. What are the two parts of ejection? Early, late. Early, late. So early and late. Okay. This is diastole. What are the two part of diastole? Isovolumetric relaxation and filling. So isovolumetric relaxation and filling. What are the two part of filling? Early filling, late filling. Early filling, late filling. Everything is done, yes or no? So is cardiac cycle difficult? No. It is very easy. What you just need to do? Need to understand the basics. If your basics are perfectly clear, no one can harm you. So are you clear here? Okay, fine. So let's start the next important concept. Okay, so what is the other important concept that we have to understand and put into perspective? So please pay attention. Okay, please pay. Okay, let's say I have a coffee machine. Okay, I give a very famous example. Most people who are taught by me, they know this example. Okay, let's say I'm making a coffee machine. Okay, so it's a coffee machine or tea machine, coffee or tea machine. Okay, now this coffee or tea machine, you need to put some openings. So one is the opening at the bottom through which the coffee comes out. Okay, the coffee comes out, and it is the inlet from which you put the water, etc. So this is the inlet for putting the water, tea, coffee powder, milk, and this is the outlet through which you get the coffee. Are you clear? So inlet is like which valve? It is like the AV valve, and outlet is like the semi-lunar valve. Okay, so outlet is like the semi-lunar valve. So we have two openings, inlet and outlet. Okay, now question is, if you want to drink tea, coffee, you will put the cup at the bottom. Okay, let me write DBMCI, because right now they are my employers. Okay, so yes, I am an employee there. Okay, clear? So I am working there, so let me write their name. Okay, I am very honest and very, what do you say, trustworthy worker. Okay, so in DBMCI I am teaching, the class is also conducted by them. Okay, so in the DBMCI put the cup here. Okay, and as you put the cup, you will get the hot स्टीमिंग पिपिंग कॉफी. किस रंग की लूँ भाई, क्या रंग लूँ? लेते हैं ब्राउन. ये देखो, ये मस्त कॉफी हमारे कप में आ गई. यस और नो? सो यू आर गेटिंग द कॉफी. तो कॉफी इज इजेक्टेड इनटू योर कप. आर यू क्लियर? बट प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी सून द कॉफी विल फिनिश. द मशीन इज एम्प्टी. आर यू क्लियर? Once the machine is empty, you need to fill the machine. Yes or no? And to fill the machine, what we should do? Should we just open the inlet and pour the milk powder? No. Otherwise, the milk powder will leak from the bottom. So what we need to do? So first we need to close the outlet. So we need to close outlet. Once you close the outlet, both the inlet outlet are closed, so volume cannot change. So we will use the term called as the isovolumetric period. So isovolumic period, yes or no? And now we open the inlet. So I open the inlet and I start pouring the water, etc. So open inlet. So now I am doing what? I am filling the coffee, milk powder, whatever inside the machine. Okay, and now I am filling the machine. Are you clear? So I am filling the machine. Okay, once the machine is completely filled up with tea, coffee powder, milk, should I start the machine or close the inlet? Obviously I have to close the inlet, otherwise all the milk will boil out, na? Yes or no? So before you start the machine, what you should do? Close the inlet to prevent the escaping of tea, coffee. So we will close inlet. As you close the inlet, the tea, coffee will be trapped in the machine. It cannot come out, and now you start the machine. So coffee is heating up. This is isovolumetric period where the coffee is getting prepared. Isovolumetric period where the coffee is getting prepared. Now once the coffee is almost ready or prepared, we need to just open the outlet. So now we will open the outlet, and now the coffee is delivered to our cups. Are you clear? This is ejection of the coffee. And once ejection is there, coffee will keep coming in the cups, we all will get. And once the coffee machine is empty again, we should start the previous cycle. How? We will close the outlet, and that's what we started from. So that means you will again repeat this cycle multiple times. So that is why it's called as a cycle. Are you clear? And what is the concept? Understand, isovolumetric filling are parts of diastole, and iso and ejection are parts of systole. Are you clear? And closer of valve, we can give a name again. So what the name will give to closer? Close outlet is S2, close inlet is S1, and close outlet is again S2. So what is S2, S1? Diastole. S1, S2, systole. So is coffee machine operation and cardiac cycle different? No, 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 they are very easy. This is the coffee machine. Okay, so let me just try to get into this. Okay, so let's say this is the coffee machine. Okay, I am going to explain. Okay, this is AV valve, this is semi-lunar valve. Okay, so let's start and discuss how this machine is going to function or operate. Okay, so please pay attention. Okay, fine. Why it's not working? Okay, one second. Okay, let me check. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is, let's say, AV valve. Okay, clear? AV. So AV valve is open, filling occur. Then this is isovolumetric contraction. You apply the force and then open the similar. This is ejection. This is ejection. Then you close the valve, isovolumetric relaxation. AV open, filling. AV close, isovolumetric contraction. Similar open, ejection. So iso filling, iso ejection, iso filling, iso ejection. So iso filling, iso ejection, iso filling, iso ejection, ejection, filling, early, late are the different parts. Clear? So I hope I made it easy for you. All of you can understand cardiac cycle. Otherwise medicine appear like a mystery. You cannot comprehend कि ये हुआ कैसे कब. So that is why we are trying to make it as easy as possible for you people. I hope it's clear. Fine. Done? Okay. So let's start with the remaining concept. So cardiac cycle is over. Okay, fine. Okay. Now we will see the concept of the volume changes and the pressure changes. First, I'll start with something called as JVP. What is JVP? Jugular venous pulse and pressure. Now first let me explain you the difference. Pulse is basically when you record the waves. Pressure is basically the value in mmHg or centimeter of water. So are you clear? So that is why when you are actually palpating or feeling the waves, that is pulse, is called as pulse. Pulse is what? You feel. Pulse is feel. So that's why the waves is called as what? This is called as JVP waves. And when you record the value, that is jugular venous pressure. So pulse and pressure are different. Pulse is palpated, pressure is recorded. Even we can record the pulse nowadays with using the instruments, etc. Are you clear? So first is what is the origin source. So basically it gives right atria pressure. Why? As there is no valve between, as there is no valve between right atria and internal jugular vein. Remember, valves are always in the lower part of the body, not upper part. So that's why let me make a diagram. This is okay, right atria. This is inferior vena cava, superior vena cava. This is internal jugular vein. So as you can see, okay, whatever changes occur in the right atria, they will be transmitted. So it's like a barometer. So this become like a barometer, and hence it is called as JVP. Are you clear? So what is JVP reflecting? Right atria pressure. So it reflects the right atrium pressure and also volume pressure changes. Okay. So right atria is given by what thing? By jugular vein. Can you see this? So whatever changes occur in the which thing? Right atrium, they are reflected in the JVP. Okay. So first let's understand what are the JVP waves. So JVP waves. So when I say waves, we are discussing the pulse. Okay. So first is they are as follow. So this is what the JVP wave looks like. Okay, this is A, C, X, V, Y. So please copy them. A, C, X, V, Y. A, C, X, V, Y. Okay. So I'll make it easy for you. Okay. First is A. A is atrial contraction. A is atrial contraction या systole. So obviously when atria contract during the late ventricular diastole filling, okay, it will create pressure. So let me show the diagram. Let's say atria is contracting. So as atria contract, it will push blood down and some blood will be pushed upward toward the jugular vein. So that's why it causes an increased pressure. It causes the A wave. So what is the A wave caused by? Atrial contraction. So A wave is caused by atrial contraction. Are you clear now? So atrial contraction. Okay. Then atria will remain contracted. No, it will relax also. So atria will relax, and when the atria relax, the pressure will fall. So remember, when atria relax, there is decreased JVP. This is called as X descent. So how to remember the X descent? Very easy technique. Follow my technique. Okay. So the technique I will tell you. See, relax. X, relax. So when X goes, you relax. Okay. तो जब X चला जाए या जाए, मतलब I'm not going to discriminate. So when X goes, you relax. अब लाइफ में स्ट्रेस कम हो गई. So when X is gone, stress is gone. Are you clear? So X, okay, don't bring the past back, look for future. Okay, so are you clear now? So relax, X. Okay, then will the atria remain empty or fill up again? It'll fill up. So when it fill up, pressure rise. So that's why this is the filling wave. So this is the filling wave. So what is the XV or V? So V wave is due to atrial filling. And who fill the atria? Answer is vena cava, that is by superior inferior vena cava. So that's why remember the V wave in this technique. What the purpose of vena cava? Fill the atria, fill the atria. So when atria fill, it will cause this. Okay, clear? Okay, it will cause this particular phenomenon. Are you clear? So atrial filling causes the V wave. Okay, atrial. And who fill? VV. So relax X, atria contract A, filling V. And then what happens? When the AV valve open, the atria will empty. So this will cause the Y. So what is Y? Y is atria empty when AV open, AV valve open. So उसको कैसे याद करोगे? कितना आसान है. Y empty Y. So Y. Clear? So when the AV valve open, the blood leave the atria and goes to ventricle. So atria is wondering why the blood left me. Why? So this Y is YY. हो गया ना? So A is atria contraction, X is atrial relaxation, V is filling by vena cava, Y is empty, YY. So that's why now all waves are clear to you. A, atria contract, X, atria relax, V, vena cava, fill the atria, and when atria empty, Y. So that is Y. So easy, yes or no? All understood? Okay. Yes, Inderjeet, it is 1/3 ejection of atria to ventricle cause 1/3 of filling, 2/3 is passive. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Okay, now some will say sir आप भूल गए C भी तो है. अरे C हर जगह है, मतलब सॉरी, C is everywhere. Okay, know this thing. Okay, so C is everywhere, yatra tatra sarvatra you find C. Okay, so let's see what is this C is. Okay, so this C, as you can see, is very small wave. Okay, so this C is due to contraction of ventricle which occur after atria. So it is atrial contraction, then ventricle contract na. So it is due to contraction of the ventricle, and when ventricle contract, what happens? It will push AV valves upwards into, so it push AV valve upward into ventricles or into atria. Okay, let me show a diagram. See, atria, ventricle. So when the ventricle contract, it will push AV valves upward. So that causes the JVP to rise up. Why? Because of increased pressure. Okay, so as ventricle contract, the AV valve is shifted up and it will increase the JVP. So this increased JVP is called as C wave. Clear? And special thing is C wave come when ventricle contract, what time? The AV closes. So that's why it correlate with AV closer. So AV close and then C wave come. So C wave come with which sound? S1 sound. AV closer, then the ventricle contract, na, that is S1. So sometimes they ask you C wave correlate with closure of AV valve, that is the tricuspid valve, and the S1 sound. Are you clear? S1 sound. So all of you are understanding it perfectly well. So A, atria contract, C, contraction of ventricle, X, atria relax, V, filling, Y, empty. Y is empty. Okay, now I'll tell you something very, very important so that you are able to remember it always and always. Okay, when you people inspire, the heart expand, the atria expand, so JVP should fall now. So that is why what happens? Inspiration, there is what? Negative pressure. negative intrathoracic pressure. So this causes expansion of the atria. So this causes atria and ventricles to expand because of low pressure. Why? Because lung is also expanding. So lungs expand, atria expand, entire thoracic structure is expanding. See, so what happens? It causes the fall in JVP. So this causes a decrease JVP, okay, and this help pull more blood into atria. So it help pull more blood into the atria. Are you clear? So that causes increase venous return. That is called as venous return. So increase VR. I'll discuss it very shortly. Just write the name venous return. Okay. So what is a normal phenomena? During inspiration, the expansion of the thorax should cause a fall in JVP, and this fall in pressure in the JVP and the atria should, like how you drink Pepsi with straw, you are inspiring, so inspiration will cause suction, so it causes suction of blood into the heart. So when is the return increase? In inspiration, so JVP should rise or fall? It should fall. This is normal. So when you inspire, JVP should fall down because of expansion. But if JVP rise on inspiration, is normal, abnormal? Abnormal. But if JVP rise on inspiration, it is called as Kussmaul's sign, and it indicates some pathology that heart is not able to expand properly. That is why the pressure is high. Very easy. So that is why it is called as the Kussmaul sign, and it is very high impact question because medicine people love science. Medicine is a subject of science and science. Okay, so when JVP increase, it is Kussmaul sign. Okay, and how to remember it? I'll tell you a very simple mnemonic and this. Okay, you know, in Delhi there's a place called as Connaught Place, CP, and CP has one of the first, you can say, Delhi's proper shops, magazines and all these malls. Okay, so you can remember it like this, that Kusum, okay, went to mall in Connaught Place. So this is seen in CP and not CT. It's a very commonly asked question. Kussmaul sign is seen in, the answer is Kussmaul sign is seen in constrictive pericarditis. So it is seen in constrictive but not in cardiac tamponade. So what is CP? Constrictive pericarditis, and CP is cardiac tamponade. So what happens? In constrictive pericarditis, the pericardium is what? It is inflamed, it is stiff, so it doesn't let the ventricle fill up. So that's why there is a high pressure JVP rise. In tamponade, there is an accumulation of fluid. It's an emergency around the heart. So that causes collapse of the ventricular chambers and heart cannot pump the blood. So that's why they both are causing pathological condition. So remember, कुसुम मॉल गई किधर? CP में. So you can remember, कुसुम नाम की लड़की कुसुम मॉल गई कहाँ? In CP, Connaught Place. So Kusum Mall in CP, or Kusum Mall is present in CP, not CT. So this is one very important mnemonic. So Kussmaul in constrictive pericarditis, Kussmaul in not cardiac tamponade. Okay. Now let me explain tamponade. Why? Because tamponade is very important. Let's say the heart. Okay, this is the heart, ventricles. Okay. And what happens is in the pericardium, this is the pericardium. Okay. So left ventricle. So what happens in pericardium? There is an accumulation of fluid. So this fluid is going to put pressure and cause complete, yes, obliteration of cardiac function. So this fluid is going to put pressure on the heart. So what happens? Will the heart be able to pump blood sufficiently? No. So this fluid will compress the ventricular chamber and it cause poor pumping, poor ventricular pumping. So what happens to BP? It will decrease. So this cause decrease BP. Why? Because heart is not pumping. So heart is not pumping. Clear? So heart is not pumping. Are you clear now? So BP will fall. Okay. Then since there is such a condition, whatever blood is coming to the heart, it cannot enter because heart is completely collapsed. So this blood will accumulate in the veins. So what happens? It causes the increase in the JVP and the neck veins will distend. So what happens? It causes a distension of the neck veins. So JVP increase. So increase JVP. Why? Because the blood of the jugular vein and the vena cava cannot enter the ventricle. They are completely collapsed. So as ventricle collapse, the veins remain filled with blood. So what happens? So they are filled with blood. So filled with blood. Okay. And they can't give the blood to the heart. Okay. So that's why they're filled with blood. So it causes not just increase JVP, but also increase in what? Increase in, yes, neck veins. And also neck veins get distended, which is mainly jugular vein. Neck veins distended. Okay. And one more thing, if you take a cloth like this cloth and you put it in my mouth, okay, and then I say something, hello, I cannot say. So if you put a cloth in front of my mouth and if I speak, can you hear my voice clearly? So my sound is not clear. So heart sound become very weak, reduced, muffled. So it causes decrease heart sounds because of pressure. So heart sounds decrease. और यू कैन से द वर्ड मफल्ड. मफल्ड मीन्स वो कहता है ना आपका ऐसे मफलर बांध दिया मुंह पे ऐसे, है ना, वो है ना, मैं केजरीवाल बोल रहा हूँ, है ना, तो जैसे केजरीवाल जी पहनते मफलर, तो मफलर लो तो आवाज कैसी हो रही है, मफल्ड हो रही है ना, तो दिस वॉइस इज कॉल्ड वर्ड मफल्ड, मीन्स गुटी गुटी, दबी दबी. सो हार्ट साउंड्स डिक्रीज. सो देयर इज व्हाट चेंजेस? देयर इज decrease in the BP because of too much pressure, cannot do. Clear? There is increase in what? JVP. There is increase in what thing? There is increase in the JVP and there is heart sounds reduced because of too much pressure. There is no sound, and these three things are called as backstride. Okay, so backstride is seen in CT. तो याद करना, BC याद कर लो. BC देखो, TT कट गया, TT कट गया, ट्राइड TT, और रह गया क्या? BC रह गया. ये रहा B और ये रहा C, BC. तो याद रखना CT में बैक स्ट्राइड. सो CT BT. सो बैक स्ट्राइड इज सीन वियर इन कार्डियक टेम्पोनार्ड एंड इट इज अ इमरजेंसी. क्या करना पड़ेगा? Thoracocentesis. Okay, so that is similar we do. So now we do what? We'll do a, yes, we will try to drain the fluid from there. Okay, so they will use a needle, insert in pericardial you can say cavity and drain the fluid out. So we'll do a emergency, yes, tap. Okay, pericardial tap, and we'll take the fluid out. Okay, clear? Fine. So we'll do, yes, removal of the fluid, emergency. Okay, so are you able to clear this? And this was again 31st August exam MCQ. Clear? So was this question there in the exam? A patient come to you and this patient is having decreased BP, the neck veins are distended and heart sounds are reduced to a great extent. Are you clear? And BP is less, so he will be ending in shock very soon. So we'll do what? We'll do a very rapid what thing? Very rapid what thing? We will do a rapid, yes, tapping or removal of the fluid. Are you clear now? So by doing what? The pericardial tap. Okay, so this question was there, yes or no? Anyone can confirm this question? Backstride, there or not there? Inform. Yes or no? चलो ओके. एंड ट्रीटमेंट यस बताने से क्या बोलते हैं. सो ट्रीटमेंट क्या है इसका? पेरिकार्डियोसेंटेसिस. ओके. बाकी we can do other techniques also to reduce the fluid, but pericardiocentesis or some surgical intervention where will yes remove the fluid from the sac. Okay. अरे सर्जरी वाला सब एक है, ठीक है. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस सर्जरी. बैक स्ट्राइड मेडिसिन का क्वेश्चन है, कोई नहीं पढ़ाता सर्जरी में से, ठीक है. सो बैक स्ट्राइड इज क्वेश्चन प्राइमरली ऑफ सर्जरी. हाँ, ट्रीटमेंट इज सॉरी मेडिसिन, बट ट्रीटमेंट इज सर्जिकल. ओके, क्लियर. So I think you got the idea what we are trying to do here. We are trying to assimilate all the previous 31st August exam question and we will intervene them in the current teaching, so that in exam if they ask any question like Kussmaul sign, tamponade, backstride or any JVP change, MI change, ECD finding, are you ready? Ultimately end में पढ़ना क्या है? 3 ही सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने हैं. कौन से? मेडिसिन, सर्जरी और गायनी एंड ऑब्स. ये 3 ही है मेन आपके. इन्हीं से आपके 70% MCQs आएंगे इन फ्यूचर. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड टारगेट दीज सब्जेक्ट एंड द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ बेसिक प्री पैरा PSM वुड जस्ट रिड्यूस टू हार्डली 10%. दैट इज द फ्यूचर. ओके. एंड 20% वुड बी व्हाट? वुड बी अदर क्लिनिकल लाइक ENT, ऑप्था, ओके, डर्मा. सो दैट्स व्हाई दीज 3 आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट. Clear? Earlier we used to say na study PSM. Now modify. Study medicine, surgery, gynae obs. And for medicine you have to first study physio, patho, pharma, and make sure the teacher is integrating them into one single narrative. So when you study patho, ऐसा लगे ये कौन सब्जेक्ट है, it should all be connected to each other. Are you clear? अरे बाबा कुलदीप, understand, when you inspire, the JVP should decrease. The JVP should decrease. That's normal. If it increase, it is called as what? It is called as Kussmaul sign. Here JVPs rise and even an inspiration will not change JVP. Are you clear? That is what is called as negative Kussmaul sign. Are you clear? The JVP will not increase on inspiration in cardiac tamponade. अब समझ में आ गया? In pericarditis there is still space. So therefore JVP will increase when you take a inspiration. If there is no change in JVP on inspiration expiration, that is tamponade. Are you clear now? So that is how you differentiate. Okay, chalo. So everything is perfect and clear. All of you are able to understand. No problem. No. Okay, fine. Okay. 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 Now one question to you people. Let's see how many can this. Okay. Let's say this is completely closed. Which one? The tricuspid valve is closed. Stenosis, or it is closed. Like in this. So what happened? The blood will go more to the ventricle or more to the jugular vein. What do you say? If there is a complete closure, the blood will go to ventricle or it will go more and more to the jugular vein. What do you say? Yes or no? So if there is a tricuspid stenosis, okay, what will happen to the or closed AV valve? So what happens? There will be decrease or increase pressure in the jugular vein. Increase. So when atria contract, the blood will go primarily to jugular vein. So JVP will increase. Mainly which wave? A wave. So that's why tricuspid, this causes a very big A wave. It causes a very big, called as giant A wave. Giant A wave. Okay. And if it's close, it causes again a very big, called as cannon. Cannon A wave, cannonball or cannon A wave. So that's why now you understand the case. Okay. So that's why a increased A wave is a marker of which condition? Tricuspid stenosis or closed AV valve, which is seen in complete AV block. There is cannon A wave. Okay. So it is cannon A wave in complete block. And if there is what? If there is tricuspid, it is big but not as big as cannon. Are you clear? So cannon A wave, complete AV block, cannon CC. So cannon complete block, cannon complete block. If tricuspid stenosis, it is giant A wave. Okay, it become big, giant. Okay, so easy. So medicine is easy if you understand the logic and concepts, okay? And if atria doesn't contract, it is just vibrating. If atria doesn't contract, just vibrating, the A wave will be disappearing. So that's why A wave disappear in atrial fibrillation, as atria is not contracting. So atrial fibrillation, there is absent A wave. So easy. So atrial fibrillation, there is just vibration. This is proper contraction. This is fibrillation. So in fibrillation, there is no proper contraction. The atria fail to contract, so A wave will disappear. Clear? So we have learned lots of medicine related concepts. Okay. So it is the time to take a break, because I know you will be very soon saturated with so much. So you learn the cardiac cycle, JVP, will take a break. Then we'll do what? The volume changes, the cardiac output, etc. And then in the end we'll do BP and finish. Okay. So break 20 minutes. Clear? We start at 4:35 p.m. Clear? And the link will continue. I'll not stop the link. There's no point stopping the link. So you can see the class at this. Okay. So take the break. Okay. Take the tea. आओ मैं आपको टी दे दूं बच्चों. कहाँ गया हमारा ये? ठीक है. आओ अच्छा सा टी ब्रेक देते हैं. आओ वर्चुअल टी ब्रेक. अच्छा कॉफ़ी पीनी है? ये लो कॉफ़ी लो भाई. कॉपी इमेज. हट यहाँ से. मजे ले रहा हूँ पर हो ही नहीं पा रहे. कोई नहीं, हम ऐसे ही कर लेंगे. ये लो मस्त बनी ना. एंजॉय द ब्रेक. ठीक है चलो. ओके सो 20 मिनट्स देन वी विल मीट. ओके अच्छे से पीना कॉफ़ी. ठीक है साथ में कुछ खा भी लेना. ओके स्नैक्स वगैरह. ओके चलो. ओके दालगोना कॉफ़ी पीनी है रौनक? पिलाता हूँ भाई, दालगोना पिलाता हूँ तेरे को. ठीक है टेंशन ना ले. ठीक है चलो.